In this question, we are given five positive integers and we have to find the minimum and the maximum taking the four integers uh, of the five integers. We have to, here it is written, calculated by summing exactly 4 out of the 5 integers, right? So as an example, there are array of 1 3 5 7 9, and the minimum is 1 3 5 7. So here we can notice that we will not take the last element, and for the maximum we will not take the first element, right? So this is the example, and okay. So what the approach will be like, we can simply run two for loop, that one starts from 0 to len of a minus 1, and one starts from 1 to uh, 1 to the last element of the array. So yeah, that's how we can solve this problem. But we can simply, what we can simply do, that we can simply run a for loop, add all the sum in a variable, and we can subtract them. When it comes to maximum sum, then we will subtract the first element. When it comes to minimum sum, then we will subtract the last element, right? So we have to firstly make the total sum, that we can simply write the sum equal to 0. It is exactly same as the previous problem we have solved, a simple array sum. So we can declare a variable sum equal to 0, and we can just simply run a for loop 0 0 to len of a, and we can sum to, okay, not here, arr, okay. And now we can take two variable, like min sum, min 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 sum. What we can do, sum minus the last element of the array, right? So array of len of a minus 1. So we're subtracting the last element of the array from the total sum. And for the max sum, what we can do, that the total sum minus array of 0, the first element of the array, right? So yeah. And now what else we can do, that okay, we have to print what the mean sum first, the mean sum and the max sum. Okay, so we have to sort the array. So firstly we have to sort the array, right? Without sorting, this approach will not work, because the largest element will not stay in the last element of the array, and the smallest element will not be in the first index, the 0th index. So we have to first sort the array, and then we can go with this approach. Just run it, yeah, and submit. Yeah, it has passed all the test cases.